Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy. Today I'm bringing y'all something a little different today. You feel me? Today I got the little. If you read the title, Juice Wrld, the best Juice Wrld preset for Bandlab. Not gonna lie, you might not find nothing like this. I got two of them for y'all today, though. I ain't just gonna do one. I got two of them for y'all. So, the song that's gonna be featured today is "My Fault" by Juice Wrld. I know I'm gonna get copyrighted for this or what, but I have my wonderful artist Pluto Vibe. Link be in the description below. I had him recreate this song. Beautiful song. Um, let's get into it. All right, so the first I'm gonna solo these out. And I'm gonna show y'all. You feel me? What it sound like? Right, not another wrong. She told me that it's all my fault. It would have been perfect all along. It would have been right, not another wrong. And there would be a happy, not a sad song. Oh, cause it's all my fault. She would have been perfect on her own. I should have took her right, but I took her wrong. And now this ain't a happy, it's a sad song. Oh, she like a mouse in a mousetrap. So, you know, these have the fullest star power over it. But I'm not focused on that. I'm focused on like the main like I say like background vocals. Really, his low vocals, low pitched vocals. Really. Here, let me show you. Like these right here.
Stuck up, she got me rolling weed now. I'm fucked up, you're talking too much, so shut the fuck.
Like these right here.
She told me that it's all my fault. It would have been perfect on her own. I should have been right, not another wrong. And there would be a happy, not a sad song. Oh, cause it's all my.
So with that, this is the Juice Wrld preset. So first, you got your studio reverb. You got your mix at 2.4, your color 2.0, your size 2.4, your delay 0, delay 250 652. Oh my god. You cut off 7,753. Your feedback at 11%. Your EQ, your low gain 13.9, your mid gain 5.0, your high gain 7.1, your mid sweep 269. You got your tech lab at 45, which is a compressor, by the way, for those. But you gain 45. Your peak reduction 84. You compress it. You don't limit it. You got your digicomp, which is another compressor. You got your attack at 524. Your release at 226. Your threshold at negative 26.8. Your ratio at 7.2. One. Then you got your knee at 3.6. Then you got your another equalizer. I prefer you use this graphic EQ because this will help you get some of the best sound. Hertz. You got your 100 hertz, negative 2.3, 200 hertz, 7.9, 400, negative 1.8, 800, 3.5, 1.6K, negative 10.2, your 3.2, negative 0.8, your 6.4, you got your 5.8. And then for your level, you got 1.8. Then, you got your de-esser, another compressor. Rules out the like the hard S's and stuff, things of that nature. You got your frequency at 6,000. You got your threshold at negative 6.0. And then
Me personally, I like to add a noise gate. You know, you got 5. You got your attack at 5. Your release at 200. And you got your threshold at negative 30. Just just in case some people don't got that full studio equipment, so you might have some background noise. So you denoise it, and then you use then you go ahead, did the wrong one, but you see that you go ahead and denoise it, and then you might go ahead and use your noise gate so to block out almost every background noise that might come about. It's the best thing. So, like I said, I'm gonna give y'all a 2-for-1 today. So I'm gonna give y'all the other Juice Wrld one. I'm gonna show you how that sound like. That was like more like you'll see it. Like I got a whole bunch of stuff for y'all. I got some. After little TJ, I got a Sofego one in here, but let's see the first Juice. Oh, depending on how this sound, we might try it on another song, but let's see how this one sound. But I'm gonna go over all these for y'all.
She told me that it's all my fault. She would have been perfect on her own. I should have been a right, not another wrong. And it would be a happy, not a sad song. Oh, 'cause it's all my fault. She would have been perfect on her own. I should have took her right, but I took her wrong. And it wasn't a happy, it's a sad song. Oh, she like a mouse in a mousetrap, stuck up.
So with this one, you hear, the echo, the reverb on it, really. So I might, go to another song for this one, but you see it, just in case, we ain't gotta go over it, but studio reverb mix 2.4, color 2.0, size 2.4, filter echo, delay, mix 10%, you feedback at 11%, you cut off at 753, you delay at 652, another EQ 3, another equalizer, you feel me? Your low gain 13.9, your mid gain 5.0, your high gain 7.1, your mid sweep is at 269. Then you got your other compressor, the Tech Lab. You got the gain at 45. You got your peak reduction at 84. Compress it. And then you got another compressor, the Digicom. Your attack is 524. Your release is 226. You got your threshold at negative 26.8. You got your ratio at 7.2/1. And then you got your knee at 3.6. Graphics EQ. Like I said, you're going to really need this. Something like this. 100 negative 2.3, 200 7.9, 400 negative 1.8, 800 3.5, your 1.6K negative 10.2, your 3.2K negative 0.8, 6.4 you got 6.4K you got your 5.8. And then you got your de-esser, once again, 6,000. And then you got your threshold, negative 6.0. Then you see the noise gate, attack 9, release 200, threshold, negative 30. You can do whatever you want with the noise gate, I'm gonna be honest. But that's it for this one. Make sure you like, share, comment. Let me know who y'all would like to see next. It's your boy Ali, and I'm out. Peace.
She told me that it's all my fault. It would have been perfect